Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. So as I was, talking the other day, I said I was going to Rustic Mama's Market with my friend Janet, and she was looking for I was trying to find things that would suit her aesthetic, and she likes wood and neutrals and all that stuff, and she needs necklace hangers and bowls. Well, I found a bunch of bowls. I've got some necklace hangers. Not all of them fit her style, but you know what I got? I got this. I got this. This would make a great necklace hanger. And what I'm thinking is, we'll see, it used to be part of a table. It died. The table died, but I couldn't let this go because it's a really great spindle. And I even like this detail for the base, right? So what I'm thinking is, because this is a display where she'll have, it'll be up against something and towards the back, we'll put 3 jewelry hangers on there. And then I thought I would put something on the back, like a clip of some kind that sticks up so she could put signage up with the prices of whatever, like if she's running a special or her social media or something. So, well, on the back, we'll put like a gator clip or something. I think I have a gator clip. First things first, let's remove these. They're on both sides. They're very old nails, finishing nails. I'm just going to see if I can pull them out without disintegrating the whole thing. Just have my pliers, and I'm just... yes. Yeah. It's now stuck to my pliers. Come on. Are you kidding me? I did get my tetanus shot. I'm good. I got it 3 weeks ago. Like 3 weeks ago. And there's a second one on the other side that has been nailed down. We're going to pull that out too. Close your eyes or wear safety goggles. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Okay, let's get rid of the rusty nails. No rustiness. I'm going to sand this because what I need to do is I need to find like a board to go across the bottom. Let's see, does it stand now? No. Or to make this a little more functional for her as far as packing goes. I could just put blocks behind this. So it almost stands up, right? It's a little tippy. I need to stand it flat, first of all. Yeah, let's sand it. Let's get that sanded flat. Ooh. Ooh. Did you just come apart on me? Maybe get some glue in there too. I'm going to sand all this crud off the bottom. And then you can see it's come apart there, but it's nailed through, so it's not going to come apart. But we don't want it doing this for her, right? Like we want that down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that sanded down, run some glue through here, and then I'm going to clamp it. Oh, oh. I forgot. I got wood glue, hot glue sticks. That'll be quick. I'm sorry, got all happy, didn't I? Look at these hooks. Are these too much? These are vintage hooks. I like the vintage hooks. I have 4. Okay, well, that's neither here nor there. We need to fix it first. So first things first, we're going to sand the crap out of it. Just the bottom here. So this lays flat. And it's not splintery. Oh. Oh, see, I started pulling on it and that nail came out. Hang on. Vintage. My stomach's growling. We don't want this to be sharp. Make that go away. Oh, that fixed it. All right, that fixed it. Sanding. Let's get to sanding. I gotta figure out if I have gator clips. Oh. Okay, now it's clean. Clean and not splintery. What am I gonna put it on? I don't know. I gotta have something. Okay, I found this riser that I made a while ago. What I'm gonna do is trace out my piece on here. Then we're gonna drill through so we know where to attach the screws. Make sense? Let me get you switched around. Okay, so I have it's freestanding right now, by the way. My hands are not on it. It's standing up on its own. I am going to just trace around this. So we know where we can drill some holes. Because if I try and drill it while it's being attached, it's never going to work. Drill bits. Cool. All right, I started the screws. I also sanded so that this had like a distressed look like this piece. I'm gonna glue this and then screw it in. And I don't think I can film that because there's no way for me to get the camera angle that I need. I was trying. Just get some glue on here. And by some, I mean like all of it. Like a lot. We're gonna get a lot of glue on here. Glue the crap out of it. Yes, that's the technical term for it. Glue the crap out of it. And then I'm not going to film trying to get this thing screwed together because it's not pretty. And there's no camera angle. Like, this shop is not big enough. I don't have a proper workbench. I don't have half the stuff I need to do this in an elegant, filmable way. Yeah, it wasn't pretty. I had to back out the screws and then drill pilot holes into this was really hard. I don't know. It must be walnut. It's gotta be walnut. But it's on there now. So now I have a base. Are you crooked? You gotta be kidding me. I think it's crooked. What? Maybe not. Maybe it's my table. Yeah, it must be my table. Okay. It's the table. There's crap on the table. I know this. It's been sitting on this. I feel it now. Okay. Because I'm like, what? Now we just need hooks. And then I'm going to use glaze and darken up the wood where I distressed it. And put a clip on the back. I can't find my clips. I know I have a whole bag of them. I have a whole bag of them. Well, let's start with these because I do like these. I think these are kind of perfect as far as rustic. They'd stick out that far. She can hang a lot of necklaces from this. And they go about halfway in, so that's good. Let's drill it out. So we want to eyeball it or make it nice? I'm gonna eyeball it. Because it's handmade, y'all. And not gonna look perfect. So I made one down here, one way high, and then one sort of midway. This project utilizes several doom pile projects. Get a lot of necklaces on that, right? Okay, where's the rest of them? No, I won't do the fourth one on there. Unless we do the fourth one, like, she could do bracelets off the side or something. Maybe right here. Or shorter necklaces. I don't know. I don't know if she has shorter necklaces. I don't freaking know. I don't make jewelry. Like if I put one like right here, she could hang shorter pieces up here and like bracelets and stuff. Hang the necklaces off the side. Then we could use up all the hooks and I won't be stuck with a hook. Let's do it. I'm gonna drill a pilot hole right here. Let's use all 4 of these vintage hooks for her. And then she can seriously do like, oh, this one's wonky, bracelets. She makes bracelets and she makes keychains and things like that. So they're shorter pieces. That will give her an option. This hook is wonky. Yay! I'm quite happy with that, actually, because now she can hang like keychains or whatever, or bracelets, and then still hang necklaces off the sides. I'd like to find my gator clips though. I have a whole bag of these mini clips that are kind of perfect for this project. Last time I saw them, they were over there. So I think I'm gonna have to try and motor over to the other side of the room here in a minute. But let's get a coat of glaze on this base, so we kind of blend it in with the rest of it. It's not gonna be perfectly blended in. It's not the same wood and it's not the same era or color. I mean, I made this from a piece of my decking when we had our deck replaced. So let me get you guys face down. We'll glaze it up. Okay, I didn't film it, but it's now distressed and darkened and, you know, looks a little more appropriate for what it is. I'm gonna go try and find those clips because I have some. Tear this place apart, I will find them. Okay, we're gonna have to old school this because I can't find it. But this is the wood hot glue. We don't want that to show above. There. So now she can clip up a little sale sign or whatever. I think it's done. I think so. Oh, glue strings, glue strings. I'm happy with it. Ha! I hope she likes it. I mean, that's the biggest test. She doesn't have to. This will be a surprise for her, unless she watches the channel, in which case, surprise! She'll already know about it, but I can't remember if she watches the channel. You're not required to watch the channel if you're my friend. It's just, that's the way it is. That would be weird, right? Then I can't share any of my stories because you'll already know them. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it kind of fits Rustic Mama's market and it's good to go. So that's everything for me today. That's my project. Thanks for watching. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.